another video, man. And I wanted to say thank you, first off, starting off this video, for the views that I've been receiving, man. It's been amazing to see, like, honestly, like, it's really unheard of, I guess, for me, you know, doing this type of stuff. So I really appreciate the views that I've been getting, and I want to say real thanks to the 100 people that subscribe, man. We just hit 100 subscribers, which is that right there, man. That is insane. You know, like, I don't want to curse, but like, that is really fucking insane. Like, I ain't even gonna cap to you at all. Like, I didn't think, like, obviously it's possible to get subscribers, people to just click on it, but I didn't think people would click on it. I didn't think people would want to subscribe. So just to start off, that is just crazy. So I do want to say I appreciate that, you know, like, for sure, for sure. That being said, that's why I wanted to make a video of this now, because the next video that I was planning on recording, which I've already recorded and everything, but the video that I was planning on uploading first was the downshifting video that I've been talking about and a couple people have been mentioning about in the comments. But in that video, I didn't mention anything about the subscribers, or I didn't like mention anything about the views recently that I've been getting, because I did that video soon after, like, the comments and stuff. So that's why I didn't want to post that one and not say anything, so people think like I'm ungrateful or something. But I'm very, like, you know, very appreciative for, you know, for the 100 people that subscribe, and, you know, all the thousands, you know, like, the viewers that I'm getting. I got 1,000 views on a couple of them now, 2,000 on one of them. So that to me is pretty cool and kind of insane. So I definitely appreciate it. So that's why I just wanted to do just another video just to say thanks for that. Definitely appreciate it. We about to get some more snow today, maybe, as you guys can see. So I thought that I would go wash the salt off my car, because there's a lot of salt on the car. I'll get out and take a little 360 of the car. I don't really know where I'm going, so give me a second. I do know where I'm going, but I don't want to pass where I'm going. Yeah. There's a lot of salt in the car. As you can see that car right there. My car is worse than that. If y'all can see the car in front of me from this angle, but I'm gonna show you guys what my car looks like. It's gonna rain. I mean, it's gonna snow again tonight into tomorrow, so chances are they're gonna be dropping more salt that's already on the road. So I kind of want to at least wash what I got on. I cut this glove. At least wash what I have off the car, so that when they do add more, I'm not sure if the salt does anything to your car, but I know it can't be too good for the paint, especially underneath the car as well. And my side mirrors, and I keep forgetting to put that out when I go by. My driveway is thin, so I'm trying to get my trash cans by the side of my car. I gotta put this side mirror in, and I keep forgetting to push it back out. Carwash is touchless. That's another thing as well. Like, I only do touchless car washes. I don't know about you guys. I know it doesn't clean as well, but it's too cold for me to be out there washing the car right now with my bare hands, scrubbing it and stuff. But if it wasn't for that, yeah, I could wash my hands, but at the same people do it, honestly. But a lot of people love going into the regular car wash. But I just can't do it. But I thought too in this video, since I'm not uploading the downshift video, I would talk a little bit about the downshifting. One thing that I would say is that I'm not the best downshifter. I still haven't perfected it in every shoe. I can downshift perfectly every single time in certain shoes. So I would say one thing to be mindful of is the shoes that you're wearing. Like right now I have snow boots on, and these are pretty big. I think to be going within the pedals and switching and getting an actual feel for the gas and a feel for the, you know, the bite of the clutch. But once you get that down, you would have no problem, honestly. And I think that's my biggest issue is when it comes to me misshifting when I'm downshift, is because of the size of my shoes. But I need to get over because this thing is right here. He's sleeping. I'm over. That was a good downshift, no, you know, but it's really gonna come with practice. That's really all I could say. On that aspect, there's obviously more to say, but that's what I could say about the shoes, and that's what I want to say, because shoes are very, very important. So I will say that much, is, you know, get some good shoes. I hope there's not a line over here. No, there's definitely a little line. There's always a line for touchless. Take too long, but let me get out here and record while I'm in line real quick. Open up my mirror and try to record what the car looks like right now. So y'all gonna see how clean it get after this little clip. So this is what the car looks like, right? So just record that. And YouTube, what's good, man? We back from the car wash and from Wegmans. I realized that I had the camera, but I wasn't recording when I got back to the car. Cause I was like, damn, I never stopped recording. But then I looked at it, I'm like, damn, I never started recording. But I did record a little clip on my phone of how clean the car was afterwards. So I'll go and I'll attach that into the video before. Ooh, she got a nice BMW. What's she driving like that? I can't go yet, lady, because of her. Thank you. Yeah, we had Wegmans on the way home, so I was like, we might as well just stop and get a couple things. I just picked up some eggs, some sausage, and some guacamole. Cause today's Tuesday, so we're doing tacos tonight. And I'm gonna take this way home just for the scenic route and the sake of trying to hit turbo because of the traffic on the highway. But yeah, let's try to make something out of nothing. We gotta get over, so let's see if these people try to stop us from getting over back to the left side. But I hope this is with the first clip, and this clip makes it a little long enough. But I was talking on the way back too from the car wash. On the way from the car wash, I guess I was talking to myself and not even to the camera, but I did mention that I created some socials. One person in the comments did mention about linking up together. He noticed the area, but I wanted to get in contact first, so I did update, create some socials for the page. They're gonna be down in the description. It's just basically gonna be the same name as the YouTube channel, Trap WRX. And yeah, man, feel free to get in contact with me there. We'll definitely link up and do something, man. Say he had a 19 STI, and definitely love to see it. I'm looking for one right now, me personally. I'm looking for a low mileage one, untouched, that I could take to the dealer and they'll show me that it doesn't have a black dot when they hook it up to their system. I want one that's naked, untouched, because my car is untouched, you know, so I'm not about to go into somebody else's mess or whatever, you know, when I could just, if I really wanted to do that, invest in a clean stock build in mine. But I am looking for a STI. If I could find a low mileage untouched one, I will jump on it. But I'm not in a rush either, you know, because I love my WRX. It was mine. This is mine. I got it at about, I think, 2 miles or something. So this has been my car. I've been taking care of it. Downshifting video coming very soon, my friends. Very soon. Like I said, I wanted to get this video out to be, you know, to show my appreciation and update the socials. That downshifting video I recorded, I have it ready and up to upload and everything, but it mentions nothing about the socials. And also, I didn't even mention or, you know, show any gratitude towards the views and the subscribers. Like I said, I really freaking appreciate it. Like, y'all don't even understand. So I'm gonna keep pushing these videos out. As you guys can see, like, the tempo is kind of like every 4 to 5 days or so that I try to upload a video, because I don't want to like saturate, you know, the channel so soon with similar things, as I'm still trying to figure out what people like to see, you know. So I don't want to upload too much of what people might not like seeing. So that's what I'm saying. Like, you know, if y'all got any critiques, y'all got any opinions, whatever, good or bad, it's not gonna offend me. Let me know in the comments, man. Like, I read them all. As you guys can see, I have some sort of interaction with all the comments right now, because it's not a lot. Even if it's like 30 or 40, that's not a lot, you know. The channel's not that big. So if y'all got something to say, y'all want to say something, I got an opinion. A lot of people's been telling me about, you know, their cars, their adventures, and, you know, their experiences with cars, and that's dope, man. I like hearing that, and I like seeing all the people getting WRXs even now, and I like seeing people getting the older WRXs even though they got new ones out, you know. So that's dope. So definitely, man, let's, you know, we could definitely conversate in the comments below for sure. So I'm getting close to the neighborhood of my house, and you know, if y'all familiar with this area, I don't really want to show where I live, but so yeah, so we're gonna cut the video here. I appreciate all the views. Like I said, I appreciate all the subscribers. If you're new to the channel, you're new to this, new to a video, you know, feel free to check out all the POV videos. I like recording videos like this. It's fun to me. Hit that subscribe button if you don't mind. Hit a like button for me, please. I appreciate it. Catch you on the next one. Peace.